Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a rocket in Fusion 360. I know this is a new tool, so I'm just going to start off very quick with a circle there. And now I'm just going to put another circle. Perfect. Yeah. Now I'm just going to go and finish that. I'm going to extrude it. And I'm just going to move this a bit up again. And do that. And yeah, perfect. And now I'm gonna do it again. So I'm just gonna chamfer it first. And I'm just gonna edit it to make, I'm just gonna do trial and error here. Yeah, I think 12 is okay. Now I'm gonna go and make another sketch. And like you have to make another sketch. You're not allowed to make them joint. It doesn't let you. So I made another sketch. I just cut that out and I joined it together. I'll click join it. It just joins it together. So you have to make a new sketch and a new circle if you want to make it both like that. So I'm just panning the view. And now I'm just gonna orbit. Oh come on. There. And I'm just orbiting. I'm gonna have to escape. Now I'm just gonna go and do a fillet. You know, fillets. There, fillets. Now, fillet is just a fancy word for getting smooth edges. Like I said in my thingy video, my on-shape video. Just a fancy word. These all actually are fancy words. Don't know why they use fancy words, but okay. And now we're gonna go into create. And we're gonna click mirror. Very important, mirror. You can't do anything without this. So I'm just gonna orbit around here. I don't know why, but why not? And I'm just gonna select my thingy. Just select it. Then my mirror plane. I'm gonna have to orbit around here. There, escape. Now I'm going to select that. And boom. I've already made a rocket. It's pretty easy to make like a pretty simple rocket. But if you want to make it very complex, look elsewhere. Now I'm using the offset plane tool to like make another plane that's not X, Y, Z axis. So it's basically like the other. It's basically like Onshape, very close to Onshape. But when you search up Onshape and like job researching, it doesn't really show anything. But as soon as you search up Autodesk, it goes crazy. So I'm gonna escape, and I'm gonna do that. I'm going to do that, and I'm going to mirror. Don't need to mirror that line. And my mirror line is that. And then okay. And I'm going to trim that. I don't know. Control plus C, Control plus C. I'm going to trim that. And now, I don't think, but the things are okay. And I might have to extrude them separately. But I'm going to have to trim all of that out. So, there. Yeah. And I'm going to just make another one with the same line, the same way. And I'm going to there. And then okay, I'm just going to trim it again. And finally, I'm going to extrude it. Oh, where the extrude? Oh, there it is. And it's not, the video's not done yet. Like I have like a whole minute left, but just 15 millimeters left. And then all I gotta do is chamfer it. Chamfers. They're really helping this rocket and video. There. I'm gonna put 11 here. And here's chamfers. There. I'm gonna do that again. I'll put 12. This is a little bit thinner, but okay. Now you have to do this the sketch over again with the same offset plane all over again. Like I said last time, I just cut that part out. There. Just gonna. There, perfect. Now I'm just gonna show you around. So bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.